So yeah, welcome to the short review of the Ericsson T39. As explained earlier, released in 2001. Just a couple of minute video just to appreciate the old mobile phones, the vintage mobile phones we used to enjoy years ago. 2G bands, GSM 900, 1800 and 1900, had GPRS. Took the mini SIM naturally, it was 86 grams in weight. The resolution was 101 by 54 pixel, that was 4 lines, apparently the ratio was 17:9. The T39 was apparently a replacement for the cancelled T36. It didn't have a camera, no loudspeaker, had vibrations, and you could download monophonic ringtones. I had a composer on there as well. Didn't have any wireless LAN. It did, however, have Bluetooth and an infrared port. You could send emails, SMS. It had a WAP browser as well. Clock, alarm, games, the usual stuff for that era. It didn't have Java though. And standby time for the battery was about 300 hours, and the talk time was about 11 hours. Menu display as you would expect for Ericssons around that time. Let's listen to some of the ringtones. I used to have the older brother of this, the Ericsson T28, but sadly I decided just to leave it on the top of the car and then proceed to work. Obviously that one was lost forever. Back in the day, 2001, the average price of a house in the UK was just under £54,800. Average salary was 17,500, and the average price of a car was just under £13,000. Price of a litre of fuel was 81 pence. That's £1.23 given today's money, and the average grocery shop was £11.11. Big news in the 2001 was things such as the violent earthquake in India which killed 20,000 people. Big issues with the Israeli-Palestinian conflicts, and of course the September the 11th attacks in the United States, and China's entry into the World Trade Organization. So yeah, this phone's in absolutely fantastic condition. Bought it a couple of months back from China. It's actually still got the last person's text messages in from 2013. Nothing too private, you understand. So yeah, lovely looking phone. Preferred the T28 myself, but can't complain. Cost £50. Fantastic specimen.